see this Lamborghini Huracan in front of me.
What's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal.
Let's see if he wants a race.
Smoke.
Crack the windscreen.
What's happening? How are you?
In this video, obviously, I'm going to tell you what I paid for it because I didn't tell you in the last video. What's going on, people? Welcome back to another video. Quick update on the Golf GTI project. Not really a project anymore. Obviously, you can see I still got the damage. I've been going to a few body shops and things like that, and the price has been a bit more than I thought to get it done properly, and then to get it done cheap. It's probably not going to do the car justice, so I don't know what I'm doing at the minute. I'm thinking about selling it as it is, but today I'm going to do a few little bits and bobs, center caps and a few other little bits and bobs just to get it cleaned up. I'm probably going to take it for a wash, maybe give it a little polish, and then have a little think about what I'm going to do with it, whether I'm going to get it repaired or whether I'm going to just sell it as it is, because obviously I want something else. And yeah, I don't know whether I'm gonna get the damage fixed properly or not. In this video, obviously, I'm gonna tell you what I paid for it because I didn't tell you in the last video. Yeah, let's get started. Now, first of all, I'm gonna change these center caps. They're all flaked off. I've already done the other side. I'm just gonna do these quickly because they're a quick job. And as you can see, you just get them out with a
What?
So, sorry about that. So, you put the screwdriver in, obviously, and just flick it out. Now you can see they're rotten. So, if I got these for I got these for about 10 off eBay. They're obviously not genuine, but they're just as good as genuine, I think, to be honest. Take this blue plastic off. Let's see. They're nice and clean. So, you just pop on. Again, same with the rear. That one was even worse. And now, I know you could be thinking, why have I just done that and I ain't refurbed the alloys? But the alloys are about £400 to refurb, so I'm not gonna bother getting them refurbed. Like I said, I just wanna get rid of the car, but I feel like spending £10 on doing the center caps, after it's cleaned, it'll probably look a lot better. Now, like the same thing with the center caps, these are little things that will let the car down. And they're only £1 to fix, and it's a little thing that you can just change, and it's going to give it a little bit. It's not going to look as rough, is it? But these are rusted on, so I can't get a screwdriver in there. I don't think. Yeah, they're rotten, so we're going to have to use pliers, which is not ideal. They've obviously been on there since the car was new, so I'm gonna have to change these.
A few moments later.
Got the new ones here, £1 from Halfords, bargain. The number plate light's got loose connections, so I have to bang it every now and again. So I've bought LED white light ones. I think they look a bit better. I'm just hoping that they work, because I bought these before from eBay and they didn't work, so hopefully these will work. Oh, they're going to come in a big box. Okay, so I'm assuming these don't have that. These are proper shit. I didn't realise I could do all this shit. Now I think, let's go from that side. Check that they work. They're gonna look much better in the night time. Look, it makes the car look a bit more modern, doesn't it? So, and plus, like I say, one of them's got a loose connection. I'm hoping it was with the one of these. They're a bit old and tattered, isn't it? So. At least no, these are all working. She's not. I've got a few other little bits I'm going to put on, but I might save that for another video because I want to get a car wash before it gets dark. I need some petrol, so I'm going to go put Tesco 99 in like I always do. I forgot to mention as well, in the first video I done on the Golf, I only had a DSLR camera, and I bought some big mount and I've stuck it on my windscreen, and I don't know if it was already chipped, but I've cracked the windscreen. I'll put a picture up now. Fuming. It's another thing, like it's eating into my sort of profit with the car, and it's making it a nice car. Well, it is a nice car, and then making it all these little extra little things, and it's all adding up. Like, I don't know what windscreen will be, but hopefully 250 or something like that. I paid £3,600 for the car. By the time if I got it repaired properly, get the windscreen done, get the wheels refurb, I'll be lucky to get £5.5 for it. So there's no point me going all out on it. So I feel like what I'm doing now is the little bits I can do for cheap, £10 bits here and there, clean it up, go and get a car wash now, maybe give it a little polish. With some polish I bought the other day, and just try and make it as clean as I can, and then at least it's an honest car. Like I say, it's got the good service history, it's got good owners and whatever like that, so at least it's an honest car. If I get it repaired and I get it bodged, it's going to start looking like what else you're hiding, what else, you know, it's not going to be good for someone to come and have a look at it, and it probably be a harder sell than selling it with the damage than trying to sell a car that's been repaired shoddy. So yeah, I'm going to try and be cheeky and put it up for $4,250 and see what sort of offers I get. anything over 3.6 I'm taking, because I want to get a new car. I want something, like I said before, 4-wheel drive, automatic, S-tronic, DSG, 4matic, whatever. So, and I want to start modifying, and there's 2 reasons why I wouldn't want to modify this car. One, it's such a nice car. I don't feel like I feel like this needs to be left alone and just do just get it clean, like do someone to do the alloys on it, someone to make it just nice and clean and keep it like this. Like I said, it's a low mileage example. Even though it's a Cat N, it's still, I think this is one of the best you'll find on the market right now. Like normally these would be going for between 6 and 7 grand with this sort of mileage and history and whatnot. So I feel like this needs to go to some good hands that's going to look after it. Whoever buys it can do whatever they want with it, I don't care, but that's what I feel like should be done with this car. And the second reason is it's front wheel drive. It's not going to be like, for like 2 grand you can make this nearly 400 brake, which is good if when you're on a motorway or something like that. It'd be brilliant, but launching from lights and stuff, it gets boring, and I can't be bothered with wheel spinning. So that's why I'm going for, want to get out of this now, and I'm trying to get into something else. We're here at Mango's at my friend's car wash. Coming now to check the big man. Biggs!
Come on, Lee.
What's happening? How are you?
The car guru. You get me?
Yes.
My partner in crime.
That's it, mate.
We're out here, you get me? He's come.
When the GLA 45 is ready.
The GLA 45 is ready, you get me?
Yeah.
This week, we'll get you to get the GLA out there.
Nice.
You've got the GTS you can get out there.
Yeah.
We've got, what else is coming? Really, I should have let you do something in the Q3. 2-litre TFSI turbo, obviously.
Quattro. Yeah, nice.
Just put it in there. It's not as sporty as
but
the
still,
GTS or
they're nice. They're just Quattro as well.
It's Quattro.
Yeah.
It's a 2-litre TFSI.
Yeah.
It's the same engine what they use on the S3.
Yeah.
It's just not mapped up to that spec.
Yeah.
But it's lovely all the same.
100%.
You know what I mean? And people like to see these things.
Yeah.
So we're down here at the car wash. Obviously, show them the screen. Let them know. You get me? His ride's out there. See it up the top there.
Come on.
It's getting fixed up. It's getting cleaned up. Making sure it's looking nice for the vlog. You get me?
Yeah.
So yo, peace out.
Nice one.
All nice and clean. Snapped my mic when I was putting the camera back in the car, so I don't know if it sounds any different. I'm using the microphone on the GoPro media mod thing. Oh, you mud. I think we're gonna get it back now before it gets too dark. See if I can. I'm gonna try and polish the scratches out in the bumper to make it look a bit better. Might get the pictures tomorrow to put this up for sale. Or if anyone's watching this and you've got any swaps or any anything you wouldn't mind doing a part exchange for, like something along the lines I want, and some cash your way, then let me know. So I want to get next. I need a front-facing camera so you can see this Lamborghini Huracan in front of me. That is the bollocks. Oh, look at that. That is the bollocks. Oh. See if he wants a race. By August, get me to 100,000 subscribers so I can get a Lamborghini Huracan. If you've been watching my videos, I appreciate if you like and comment and subscribe, because it really helps me to grow my channel, and I ain't looking to stop doing this. So hopefully you can I appreciate it. It don't cost you nothing if you could just like and subscribe, comment, anything just to get the engagement going on my channel, so I can like I say, grow it up and get one of these Lamborghini Huracans. Or... Yeah, so the GoPro died, so as you can see it's dark now, so I'm gonna end the video here. So if you like the video, can you smash the like button, and I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.